Welcome. In today's video, we'll guide you through a simple process to turn off auto-download for videos on WhatsApp web on your PC. If you're tired of unnecessary videos automatically downloading and taking up storage space, this step-by-step tutorial will help you regain control. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp web on your computer. To do this, go to web.whatsapp.com and scan the QR code with your phone to log in. Once you're logged in, you'll see your chats displayed on the screen. Next, look towards the left side of the screen. You'll notice a gear icon at the bottom of the sidebar menu. This is the Settings button. Click on it to proceed. Now that you're in the Settings menu, find and click on the option labeled Chats. Within this section, locate Media Auto Download. This is where you can manage what types of media are downloaded automatically. To stop videos from downloading automatically, simply uncheck the box next to Videos. This will disable the auto-download feature for videos specifically, ensuring they won't clutter your computer without your permission. And that's it. You've successfully turned off auto-download for videos on WhatsApp web. From now on, any video sent to you will require manual downloading, giving you full control over what gets saved to your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.